different feathers, yet we love just the same. We all love just the welcome to our world. Welcome to our great family. We all share the same sky. All you need is breathe. But if you want to join paradise, you're gonna need to learn your ways. You're gonna have to spread your wings. All they've got to give, and life ain't sacred anymore. Jobless and surplus, running up the car, but the shooters just for fun. What if turkeys were shooting them? What if they were on the run? Take a look at their world. Look at the crimes of their history. They kill their brothers in the millions for the sake of what they believe. They have forests, poison rivers to make some more fast bucks. Profit is the meaning of life. They just don't give up. They just don't give a damn about their world. So if you want to join